What's up, party people? So finally, the van is done. I got the motor in. It took a little bit longer because of Christmas for the holidays and stuff like that. But I would rather have it done right than to sit there and get it done real quick and have some issues and some problems. So the van is ready. The engine is in. It is driving. It is shifting. Everything is good. I am happy. Yeah, so I'm still in Pennsylvania. I'm doing some work up here, having some things, finishing some things up here. And we are getting ready to get a big snowstorm. So I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to go to New York right now. But I'm probably going to go down to Virginia and take care of some stuff down there. But you know, just you know, doing some stuff up here in Pennsylvania, working, seeing some things around here. My mom. Yeah, I went to the Hershey factory in Hershey, Pennsylvania, so that was fun. That was pretty cool. But yeah, we are just ticking away. I'm gonna get back in the van and start doing some work in the back that I need to finish. So much to do. But I just wanted to make this quick video real quick. Mom, we are on the road. We are ready to go. Van is done. Like I said, it's through Jasper, so it has a 100,000 mile 3-year warranty nationwide. So if I have any issues with it, I just have to find a certified mechanic that goes through Jasper, which, you know, they're nationwide, they're all over the place. So and they cover parts and labor and all that stuff. So that's awesome. Probably down the road, the next step, probably get a transmission through Jasper as well. Not right now, but hopefully, hopefully I don't need a transmission right now. But yeah. So yeah, I don't even know what else to say, but it's pretty chilly up here in Pennsylvania. Pretty much, I guess, the same way it is all over the place. But until next time, I will talk to you later. Have a good day. Drive safe.